everybody, welcome to Beans, Bags and Handicrafts Company's vlog number 12. Not too much to report this time. I actually would usually wait to come on when I have a little more to show, but I am really excited and I need your help, and we are going to have a contest giveaway. Yay! We are 46 only subscribers away from 1,000. I am so excited to get to the 1,000 subscribers. Then I can go live. We can do live interfacing tutorials. We can do live bag making tutorials. We can do the vlogs live. It would be so much fun. I've been really wanting to get there, and we are so close that I can taste it. So 46, that is all I need. So to motivate everybody, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do. Once we hit 1,000, I have a $30 US funds gift certificate to Shambhala Patterns that you could buy any of Sami's patterns on her website. They're amazing patterns. As I said, she's one of my favorite pattern designers. I do make bags from a lot of people, but Shambhala Bags is one of my top selling ones, and so I asked her if I could buy a gift certificate, and I did. So when we reach 1,000, if you have commented below on this video, you have subscribed, and you've gone to my Facebook page, www.facebook.com/beansbag, no S on the end of bag, just bag. I will put everything down in the description before. So like my Facebook page. If you're a bag maker, you don't have to do this, but I also have a bag makers group. You can join there. But to get into the contest, what I need you to do is to subscribe to my channel, place a comment on this video below, and like my Facebook page, and then you will be entered in for the draw for that $30 Shambhala Bags pattern. Oh my gosh, I just can't talk today. The $30 gift certificate to Shambhala Bags. So yes, I'm really hoping by the end of this week, maybe next week, I'll be able to go live. Fingers crossed. I can't do it without you, so please help me. If you haven't, please subscribe. Ring the little bell for notifications, so whenever I post something new, you don't miss it. So yeah, it's showing the stats. 48% of my viewership is already subscribed, so there's 52% of you that have not subscribed to the channel yet. So please subscribe so you can get entered into that draw. So again, comment below, subscribe to my channel, and like my Facebook page. And then once we hit 1,000, I will do that draw for that gift certificate giveaway. Yay! The only thing I did this week, many of you who are already on my channel, you saw me do the tutorial for the Shambhala. Oh, my phone is dying. For the Shambhala Madeline bag. This is the cutest little shoulder bag. It could be a crossbody bag too, ever. And I just love this fabric. I'm keeping this one for myself, but I do have enough of this crocodile, I guess it's more like a snake print, silver metallic vinyl, and I still have this hot pink lining. If you want a bag almost exactly like this, I can definitely do that for you. So if you want to order a bag, shoot me a message. I am booking into February right now though, so keep in mind that that will happen, but I could reserve this for you so I don't sell it to anybody else. But yes, this is an awesome bag. I would sell this one, but I had issues with the grommets and I'm just not super happy with it. But I do have a grommet press on the way, so there's going to be no more issues for it. So this is an awesome little bag. I'm just keeping this one for myself. So yeah, this was the last tutorial I did. I do have coming up, probably not next weekend, maybe the weekend after, I'm going to have the Pandora bag tutorial all finished up. Maybe next weekend, it depends how efficient I am. So I do have a Violetta bag that I have to make for an order, so I got to get that one done first, and if I get that all done in one day, then I may do the Pandora one on Sunday. So we will wait and see how my weekend goes. I got to be careful not to burn myself out. As I said, I do work Monday to Friday full-time at an office job as well, so I have to be very careful. What does everybody think of my dress? This is, oh, you can't really see, the Ellie and Mac high-low Be Dreamy dress. I'm headed out for dinner with my aunt and my uncle and my cousin and cousin-in-law and their little girl and my parents. My cousin's moving over to Nova Scotia, so I want to be able to say goodbye. So we're headed off to Mr. Mike's, and yeah, so we're just about, I'm a little bit dressed up for it, so we're good. Plus it's super hot, so wearing a dress is kind of nice. Anyways, this one is going to be short but sweet. I mainly wanted to put it up for the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. Please, again, to get into the draw, you need to comment below on this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and like my Facebook page. So yeah, you do that, you'll get entered into the draw, and then you could possibly win the $30 gift certificate to Shamela Designs for her website. So anyways, I'm going to cut this one short. It's only 6 minutes long. That's crazy. Mine usually run a lot longer. I'm sure I'll be back next week, but I just wanted to put that shout out for my 1,000 subscriber giveaway. So 46. I just need 46 more of you. So please, like. I'll love you forever. Anyways, thank you everybody for being so amazing and helping me along in this wonderful journey. I'm just having so much fun, and please ignore the mess back there. Oh my gosh, I really gotta learn to clean up my workspace before I go on these videos, but hey, it's all good. Anyways, happy Saturday, everybody. Stay safe, have fun, wear your masks, keep the curve down, and I will talk to you all soon. Love ya. Bye-bye.